Hi friends, in this session I am going to explain about the main difference between max, max_a and max_x DAX functions in Power BI. These differences are very important to understand and implement in Power BI reporting. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe and like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I am providing complete training of Power BI from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario-based monthly updates, much more updated in this channel. So if you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely get the job and also easy to survive in real-time environment. So in this video, we'll deep dive about the main difference between max, max_a and max_x in Power BI. Let me go to my browser to understand one by one. Max in Power BI. Let me open official page of Power BI DAX. Max function is nothing but returns the largest value in a column or between two scalar expressions. That means max function can work in two different scenarios. For example, if you want to find the maximum value in a particular column, then we'll use max of column. Okay? Or if you want to find maximum value between two scalar expressions, then we can write maximum of expression 1, expression 2. Return value, the largest value. Remarks. When comparing two expressions, blank treated as 0 when comparing. That is max 1, blank returns 1. Okay, it treats as blank as 0. And maximum minus 1, blank, then it returns 0 because 0 is maximum. If both arguments are blank, max return a blank. If either expression return a value in which is not allowed, max return an error. True false values are not supported. If you want to column true false values, use max_a function. That is one example. Okay, they given two examples. Now let me check max_a function. It returns the largest value in a column, but max_a function we cannot apply in between two expressions. Okay, so max_a function will work for numbers and dates, and also max_a will work for the true false values. They given two examples. Now I want to go for max_x. Max_x evaluates an expression for each row of a table and return a largest value. Okay, that means wherever x, see here, sum x, min x, max x, count x, wherever x, syntax is very simple, table, expression. So that means this max and max_a, these two functions will work at column level. Okay, but this max function will work at table level, and also we can apply filters. So remarks. Max_x will work for numbers, text and dates, but in max_x we can declare the filters. They given some examples already I showed in previous videos. If you want, you can go for it. In this video I will show with simple example in better explanation. Okay, let me go to my Power BI desktop. Let me take simple data. So I am taking now employee table. Let me click on open. Don't worry, it won't take much time to load it. I am taking employee table. I want one table is enough to show this all examples. Let me click on load it. Okay, my table is loaded into the Power BI desktop in memory. Now let me go to data view. So let's start with max function. Come remarks. So here numbers are there. Okay, salary. I want to find the maximum salary amount from the salary column. by using max function. I'm taking new column, I just mentioned max salary equal to max of sal. So it returns maximum value from the salary column. That means max function will work for numbers, and I want to go for this time text. New column, max text I will mention equal to max ename is nothing but employee name. Enter it. So word W is the last right in the series. That's the reason why it returns word. Okay. So that means it works for text also. Now I want to go for dates. So latest date, I want to find the hire date column. Right click, new column, max date equal to max hire date. It will return date plus time format. 23rd 6th 2000 is the latest date in the hire date. Okay. Now I want to test max a function. I'm taking new column. First of all, I want to find the maximum salary from the salary column by using max a function. Max a sal equal to max a sal. Enter. It returns 3000. That means max a function will work for numbers. Now I want to test for the text. Right click, new column, right click, new column, max a text equal to max a ename, employee name. Enter. So it returns 0. That means it won't work for the text. Now I want to check for the hire date column. This is one difference as of now. Max a date equal to max a of hire date. So max a function also work for the dates. Now I want to test true false values. Right click, new column, max a true equal to max a logical value 1. If logical value 1, so if it is true, then it returns 1. See here, it worked for the logical values. Now I want to test for false. If it is false, then it should be written 0. New column, new column, max A false equal to max A logical value 2, that is nothing but false. If it is false, it should return 0. Okay, it is returning 0. That means here we find two differences. Max function will work for numbers, text, dates. It won't work for true false values. And max A function will work for numbers, dates and true false values. Max A, it won't work for the text as of now. Now one more difference. Come to max X. So by using max X, we can declare the filters also, right? Now I want to find the maximum value from the salary column, and then I want to filter. Right click, new column, max X salary equal to max X, syntax is table, my table name is employee, comma, expression is nothing but salary, enter. Now it returns 3000. That means in entire table, so in this column 3000 is the maximum salary. Now I want to find the maximum salary who is getting, their job is manager. Okay, if you observe here, manager 1, 2, 3 is there and their salary is also different. So in this scenario, by using filters, we can filter the data. Right click, new column, so max X with filters equal to max X filter, table name is employee, comma, job equal to manager. And I want to return salary. I want maximum salary, their job is manager. Okay, 2975 is the maximum salary. Come here, 2975 and 2850 and one more manager salary is empty. That's the reason why it return highest salary who is getting as a manager. So in this way we can use max, max A and max X functions in different scenarios in the real time. So let me write the differences here once again. So max function work for numbers and text and dates. Max A, it work for numbers, work for dates, it won't work for text. Okay, it will work for logical values. And max X, max X will work for max, and max A will work for only column level, and we can declare with the filters. These are the main differences. Please note this. These are the very important points for interview also, and also for real-time scenarios. So thank you for watching my video. If anybody wants special training on Power BI, you can directly email to this email, or you can directly call to this mobile number. Thank you for watching my video.